Hey everyone, thanks for checking in. This is Michel Bron with the Bron Realty Group, and this is my market update video for end of June, beginning of July 2021. So what's going on in the real estate market in Los Angeles and in California and in the US in general? Well, you've been hearing me talk about in the past few months about, and I'm sure you've heard it also from everybody on the news and friends and so on, about the market in LA and generally in the US being basically on fire, multiple offers, overbid offers, just a very, very hectic market. And the market is still very hot, but the new buzz on the street is that the market is starting to experience a little bit of a slowdown. So it doesn't mean that we're going to run into any price crash anytime soon, or at least I don't think so. But we are experiencing a little bit of a slowdown. And I think it's basically due to a buyer's fatigue. A lot of people have been really frustrated about the market. They were looking for homes, they made offers, they were outbid by people who were cash rich and could make much higher offers than theirs. People were removing all kinds of contingencies, inspection contingencies, which I never recommend to do to my buyers. They were removing appraisal contingencies and sometimes even loan approval contingencies. So making their offers extremely aggressive, but also risky. And a lot of people weren't ready to do that. So some buyers got out of the market and just decided to put things on hold. And a lot of other potential buyers didn't even bother entering the market. And people who were trying to maybe buy a home from being a renter, or maybe to upgrade their 2-bedroom house to a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom house, decided to just basically wait it out. Now, what are they waiting for? Whether they're waiting, a lot of people are saying, well, I'm going to wait for prices to crash. Whether there's going to be a crash anytime soon, or they're going to miss the boat on prices that are going to continue to increase. It's hard to say, but we do know that a lot of buyers have been frustrated by the market. So I think that's what's causing the current slowdown. Now, it's not to say that, like I said, like prices are crashing. We're still experiencing over asking offers in some areas and for some specific type of homes, but we're also experiencing some slowdown in some new listings that are not generating the type of offers that we were experiencing before. And also, I think that a lot of the homeowners who are putting their homes on the market just now are basically not trying to ignore this new slowdown and trying to catch the tail end of this really seller's market where prices were really high, putting their homes on the market for a very high price. And unfortunately, it's not really catching up. People are starting to say, hey, I'm not going to go for that. So we're getting into situations where we have really high asking prices because these sellers are trying to catch that trend. And then we have buyers who are saying, you know what, I'm not going to put an offer on your house right now. So if you don't get multiple offers, it's difficult to get overbid on listings. So that's kind of what's going on. In terms of the rates, they've also kind of like trickled up a little bit. We're now hovering around 3.25% for a conventional loan. So it's also contributing to the slowdown. People's ability to borrow more money is starting to be slowed down by the interest rates going up. Now, I don't think they're going to go up much higher, or at least that's what I'm hearing from the lenders industry. That I don't think the government is going, the Fed is going to increase prices by that much, because we're starting to hear about this new variant, COVID variant, the Delta variant, that's starting to become a problem again. So I think that the government is going to try to keep the economy going by keeping the rates down. But that being said, they've already gone up above 3%. So that's contributing to the slowdown. So there you have it. That's the status of the market right now in Los Angeles specifically, but also that's what I'm hearing from other realtors nationwide that I'm connected to. If you have any questions about your specific situation as a buyer or as a seller, as always, feel free to reach out, and I'm happy to answer all your questions in complete confidentiality, of course, as always. Thanks a lot. Take care and be safe out there. Bye-bye.